Good afternoon, guys. This is your brother Gaetana Berta, and the channel is Learn English with Gaetana. Are you a frequenter? If you are a frequenter, don't forget to like the video. If you are new to this channel, try to subscribe to it right now. I think we started talking about sentence writing errors. In the previous videos, we discussed sentence fragments, subject-verb agreement error, and run-on sentences. እስከ ዛሬ ምን አይተናል? አረፍተ ነገር በምንጽፍበት ወቅት ልንሰራቸው የምንችላቸው ስህተቶችን አይተናል። ከነዛ መካከል የመጀመሪያው ቪዲዮ ላይ ያላያችሁት ካለ ዲስክሪፕሽኑ ላይ ሊንኩን አስቀምጥላችኋለሁ። የመጀመሪያው ቪዲዮ ስለምን ነበረ? ስለ ሰንተንስ ፍራግመንት ነበረ። The second video was about subject verb agreement error, and the third video was about run-on sentences. እነዚህን በታች ባለው ዲስክሪፕሽን ላይ አስቀምጥላችኋለሁ የገባችሁ ታያላችሁ። So today we are going to see the fourth sentence writing error that is called faulty parallelism. So what is a faulty parallelism? When faulty parallelism occurs, and then how a writer or how should we correct faulty parallelisms. At the end of the lesson, you will be able to identify when does faulty parallelism occur, and also how a writer or how should you correct faulty parallelism sentence የሚለውን ታውቃላችሁ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ አብራችሁ ይቆዩ። Firstly, I think you learned about parallel lines when you were a primary and a secondary school students. ስለ parallel line ታስታውሱ ከሆነ አንደኛ ደረጃ ወይንም ደግሞ የሁለተኛ ደረጃ ተማሪዎች እንደነበራችሁ ተምራችኋል ብዬ ተስፋ አደርጋለሁ። So what are parallel lines? In math, parallel lines are lines that are equally distant or that are aligned or that don't cross each other are known as parallel lines. እርስ በርሳቸው የማይገናኙ መስመሮች እኩል ዲስታንስ ያላቸው መስመሮች ምን ይባላሉ? They are known as parallel lines ይባላሉ። In grammar and in writing or in literature, በግራመርም ሊሆን ይችላል በራይቲንግም ሊሆን ይችላል, there is parallelism. So what is parallelism in writing or in language or simply in grammar? Parallelism in grammar refers to similarity. Parallelism ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? Similarity ማለት ነው። Similarity ማለት ነው። Parallelism in writing, I think you may communicate your thoughts by writing. You may communicate your thoughts by speaking. But if you don't use similar words or phrases or clauses that have similar grammatical value, we call that error is a faulty parallelism. ለምሳሌ በምትጽፉበት ሰዓት ወይንም በምትናገሩበት ሰዓት ተመሳሳይ የሆነ ግራማቲካል ቫልዩ የሌላቸው ወይንም ደግሞ ተመሳሳይ አይደንቲካል ስትራክቸር የሌላቸው ቃላትን ወይንም ሐረጋትን ወይንም ክሎዝን የምትጠቀሙ ከሆነ ያ ስህተት ምን ይባላል? faulty parallelism ይባላል ማለት ነው። Therefore, when we write sentences, we need to use identical structure. አረፍተ ነገር ስንጠቀም ምን መጠቀም አለብን? We need to use identical structure for clauses, for phrases, for words. If there is no identical structure, if there is no similar grammatical value, that error is known as faulty parallelism. Faulty parallelism. በነገራችሁ ላይ ስለ ፋልቲ ፓራራሊዝም ስናወሳ የግድ ምን መኖር አለበት? there must be a series of items, there must be a series of words or phrases or clauses ምን መኖር አለበት? ዝርዝር መኖር አለበት። Thinking faulty parallelism without a list of items, a list of words, a list of phrases or a list of clauses is impossible. So there must be list መኖር አለበት። ስለዚህ ፓራራሊዝምን ስናስብ አረፍተ ነገራችን ውስጥ የግድ ምን መኖር አለበት? there must be a series of words, የቃላት ወይንም የሐረጋት ወይንም ደግሞ የአረፍተ ነገሮች ዝርዝር መኖር አለበት። አትሊስት ሁለት እና ከሁለት በላይ ዝርዝር ሊኖራችሁ ይገባል ማለት ነው። እነዛ ዝርዝሮች እነዛ አረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ የተዘረዘሩት ቃላቶች ወይንም ሐረጋት ወይንም ደግሞ አረፍተ ነገሮች ምን መሆን አለባቸው? they must be written in identical structure, በአይደንቲካል ስትራክቸር መጻፍ መቻል አለባቸው ማለት ነው። So using words or phrases or clauses that don't have identical structure is known as faulty parallelism. ምን ይባላል? አይደንቲካል ስትራክቸር የሌላቸውን ቃላቶች ወይንም ሐረጋት ወይንም አረፍተ ነገሮች በአንድ አረፍተ ነገር ላይ በሊስት መጻፍ ምን ይባላል? faulty parallelism ይባላል። So that is an error. If you have the habit of writing words or clauses or phrases without using identical structure, afterwards you have to stop that. ከዚህ በኋላ ማቆም አለባችሁ ማለት ነው። ሊስታችሁ ላይ በስም ከጀመረ እያንዳንዱ ሊስታችሁ ላይ የምታካትቱት ነገር ምን መሆን አለበት? ስም መሆን አለበት። If you start your list with a verb, you have to end your list with a verb. ሊስታችሁ ላይ በቨርብ ከጀመራችሁ በቨርብ መጨረስ አለባችሁ ነው። The next one is if you start your list with an adjective, you have to end that list with an adjective. In addition or finally or next, if you start your list with an adverb, adverb ከሆነ በአድቨርብ መጨረስ፣ adjective ከሆነ በadjective መጨረስ፣ gerund ከሆነ በgerund መጨረስ፣ ሁሉንም gerund ማድረግ ማለት ነው። በኢንፊኒቲቭ ከጀመራችሁ ሁሉንም ኢንፊኒቲቭ ማድረግ፣ ይሄ ምን ይባላል? ፓራራሊዝም ይባላል ማለት ነው። However, let's assume you start your list with a verb, but you include a noun in the middle. That is called a faulty parallelism. ለምሳሌ ሊስታችሁን በቨርብ ጀመራችሁ ነገር ግን መካከል ላይ ናውን የምትጠቀሙ ከሆነ ያ ስህተት ምን ይባላል? It is called faulty parallelism ይባላል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ምን አለ እዚህ ጋር እንድታስታውሱት ፓራራሊዝም ላይ የግድ ሊስት መኖር አለበት። እነዛ ሊስቶች the same pattern ሊኖራቸው ይገባል። the same grammatical value ሊኖራቸው ይገባል። that is called parallelism ይባላል ነው። Okay, I have brought you some example sentences. The first one is, listen to me, the first one is Kenya is committed, comma, optimistic, comma, and works tirelessly to tackle poverty. What do you think about this sentence? I have a list that consists of 3 words. The first one is committed, comma, optimistic, comma, and works tirelessly to tackle poverty. What do you think about this sentence? Is it correct or wrong? ሊስታችን ላይ መጀመሪያ ማን አለ? committed አለ፣ ሁለተኛው ላይ optimistic አለ፣ ሶስተኛው ከኤንድ በኋላ ያለችው ደግሞ works tirelessly to tackle poverty የሚል አለ። ስለዚህ እነዚህ ሊስቶች በአረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ የሚገኙት ሊስቶች ሶስቱ ቃላቶች committed, optimistic እና works tirelessly የሚሉት እነዚህ ምንድናቸው? Are they written in the same grammatical value? Okay, if your answer is no, you are correct. ልብ በሉ ሊስታችን ላይ ምን ያለው? Kenya is committed, comma, optimistic, and works tirelessly to tackle poverty. committed and optimistic, they are correct. They are in parallel structure because committed is an adjective, optimistic is an adjective. But as you can see, after and there is works tirelessly. works tirelessly ነው ያለው። ስለዚህ ይሄ ትክክል አይደለም። ኮሚትድ አድጀክቲቭ እንደሆነ ሁሉ ኦፕቲሚስቲክ አድጀክቲቭ እንደሆነ ሁሉ ከኤንድም በኋላ የሚመጣው ምን መሆን አለበት? አድጀክቲቭ መሆን አለበት ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ስናስተካክለው ምን ይሆናል? ኬንያ is committed, optimistic and tireless ብቻ ነው የምንለው። tireless to tackle poverty ብለን አረፍተ ነገሩን እናስተካክላለን ማለት ነው። So committed is an adjective. What is the word class of committed? It is an adjective. What is the word class of optimistic? It is an adjective. What is the word class of tireless? It is an adjective. So ሶስቱም በሊስት ውስጥ ያሉት ምን ሆኑ ማለት ነው? አድጀክቲቭ ወይንም ቅጽል ሆኑ ማለት ነው። ሶስቱም ምን አላቸው ማለት ነው? they have the same grammatical value አላቸው። ይህ አረፍተ ነገር ጽድት ያለ ተቀባይነት ያለው ነው ማለት ነው። The second one is I was miserable, confused, anxious and worry a lot. Look, I have a list. When we think of parallelism, we need to have a list. ስለ parallelism ስናስብ ምን ሊኖረን ይገባል? There must be a list ሊኖረን ይገባል። A list of words, a list of phrases, a list of clauses. It is impossible, as I said before, it is impossible to think parallelism without having a list of items. So, I was miserable, confused, anxious and worry a lot. What do you think about this sentence? Is it written correctly? ትክክለኛ ነው የተጻፈው? Okay, if you say no, you are correct because we have a list of words. The first one is miserable. What is the word class of miserable? It is an adjective. The second one is confused. Confused, what is the word class of confused? It is an adjective. The third one is anxious. Anxious, what is the word class of anxious? It is an adjective. But after and there is worry. Worry is a verb. ከኤንድ በኋላ ምን መጣባችሁ? ቨርብ መጣባችሁ። ስለዚህ ይህ አረፍተ ነገሩ ምን ይባላል? ፎልቲ ፓራራሊዝም ይባላል ማለት ነው። ይሄን አስተካክለን መጻፍ አለብን። ይቺ መጨረሻ ላይ ያለችውን ቨርብ ወደ ምን መቀየር ነው? ወደ አድጀክቲቭ ከሌሎቹ ጋር እንዲስማማ ወደ አድጀክቲቭ መቀየር ነው። ስለዚህ ምን እንላለን? I am miserable, confused, anxious and worried ብለን እናስተካክላለን ማለት ነው። Next one is my new fiancé. Lastly, የመጨረሻ ምሳሌ my new fiancé likes hiking, drawing, reading and to dance. ልብ በሉ እዚህ ጋር ሊስት አለን። my new fiancé likes hiking, drawing, reading and to dance. Is it correct? No, it's not correct because after and there is to dance. To dance is an infinitive. To dance ምንድነው? infinitive ነው። ነገር ግን ከላይክስ በኋላ ያሉት ቃላቶችን ስትመለከቱ all are gerunds. After like, for instance, the first one is hiking. Hiking is a gerund. And the next one is drawing. Drawing is a gerund. And the third one is reading. Reading is a gerund. However, after the conjunction and there is an infinitive. This is not correct. ይሄ ፓራራል አይደለም። ስለዚህ ምን ማድረግ አለብን? በአስተካክለን መጻፍ አለብን። ሁሉም ጀረንድ ከሆኑ አብዛኛው ጀረንድ ከሆነ ሌላውን ወደ ጀረንድ መቀየር አለብን። አብዛኛው ኢንፊኒቲቭ ከሆነ ወደ ኢንፊኒቲቭ መቀየር አለብን ማለት ነው ጀረንድ ከተሰጠን። ስለዚህ ምን ብለን እናስተካክላለን? My new fiancé likes hiking, drawing, reading and dancing ብለን እናስተካክላለን። እንደዚህ ቢሰጣችሁ My new fiancé likes to hike, to draw, to read and ዳንሲንግም ቢሰጣችሁ ዳንሲንግ የተለየ ስለሆነ ወደ ምን መቀየር አለበት? ወደ ኢንፊኒቲቭ መቀየር አለበት ነው። ኦኬ when should faulty parallelism be considered? መቼ ነው ፎልቲ ፓራራሊዝም ኮንሲደር የሚደረገው? ወይንም ደግሞ መቼ ነው ፎልቲ ፓራራሊዝም happen ሊያደርግ የሚችለው? The first one is when you connect lists with the conjunction and ኤንድን ስታገና ኤንድን ተጠቅማችሁ ቃላትን ስታገናኙ ከኤንድ በፊት ያሉትና ከኤንድ በኋላ ያሉት ትክክለኛ ፓራራል መሆናቸውን ወይንም አይደንቲካል ስትራክቸር መኖራቸውን ማረጋገጥ አለባችሁ። የመጀመሪያው ምንድነው? if you connect actually serious ካለ ኤንድ መኖር አለበት። if you connect your items with the conjunction and you have to be careful because there must be parallelism. The next one is if you are comparing things, animals or people by using either positive or positive degree or comparative degree, you have to be careful with your parallelism. ሌላኛው እንደገና ምንድነው? ፖዚቲቭ እና ኮምፓራቲቭ ዲግሪ ተጠቅማችሁ ስታወዳደሩ ለእንትናችሁም በጣም ኬር ማድረግ አለባችሁ ለፓራራሊዝም። ለምሳሌ ፖዚቲቭ ልጀምር። My phone is as expensive as you. Is it correct? My phone is as expensive as you. Firstly, I am comparing two phones that have equal quality. Okay? So my sentence starts with my phone. My phone shows possession. However, after the second as, there is you. You doesn't show possession. My phone, ምን ትላላችሁ? My phone is as expensive as yours ነው የምትሉት ማለት ነው። ምክንያቱም yours-ም possession ያሳያል፣ እንደገና my phone-ም ምን ያሳያል? possession-ን ያሳያል ማለት ነው። My house is as big as Kabede. Am I correct? No, this is not correct. I have to say my house is as big as Kabede's. There must be apostrophe as at the end of Kabede መኖር አለበት። So ሌላኛው መቼ ነው ፎልቲ ፓራራሊዝም ሊያጋጥማችሁ የሚችለው? when you write or when you compare two things by using degrees of comparison like of positive degree or comparative degree ተጠቅማችሁ አረፍተ ነገር ስትጽፉ ፓራራሊዝም መኖሩን ማረጋገጥ አለባችሁ። The next one is let's see one more example by using comparative degree. Okay, comparative degree, you know that. For example, my shirt, my computer is more expensive than you. Is it correct? My computer is more expensive than you. This is not correct because the subject of this sentence is my computer. My computer shows possession. ባለቤትነትን ያመለክትልናል። ስለዚህ ባለቤትነትን የምታመለክትልን ሌላ አረፍተ ነገራችን መጨረሻ ላይ መኖር አለበት። ስለዚህ ምን እንላለን? My computer is more expensive than yours እንላለን ማለት ነው። Yours shows possession. My computer shows possession. And the next one is there is a noise in the background, so I'm sorry. So the next one is my shirt is as beautiful as you. My shirt is as beautiful as you. Is it correct? No, it's not correct because my sentence starts with my shirt. My shirt shows possession. Therefore, at the end of my sentence, there must be a word that shows possession. So I have to say my shirt is as beautiful as yours ይሆናል ማለት ነው። Okay, the next one is you have to be careful with your parallelism when you link clauses by using correlative conjunctions. ሌላኛው እንደገና correlative conjunctions ተጠቅማችሁ አረፍተ ነገሮችን ስታገናኙ ለፓራራሊዝማችሁ መጠንቀቅ መቻል አለባችሁ። ለምሳሌ neither tall boy nor tirelessly walking boy is my favorite. I'm sorry. Neither tall boy nor carelessly walking boy is my favorite. This is not correct because after neither tall boy, tall is an adjective. However, after nor, there is carelessly walking. Carelessly is an adverb. So it must be changed into adjective. ልብ በሉ neither nor ከኒዘር በኋላ የመጣው ቶል ነው። ቶል ምንድነው? it is an adjective። ነገር ግን ከኖር በኋላ የመጣው ምንድነው? tirelessly ነው። tirelessly word ክላሱ ምንድነው? it is an adverb። ስለዚህ ወደ ምን መቀየር አለበት? ወደ adjective። ምን ብለን እናስተካክላለን? neither tall boy nor careless boy is my favorite ብለን እናስተካክላለን ማለት ነው። The next one is how should you correct faulty parallelism? faulty parallelism እንዴት አድርጋችሁ ታስተካክላላችሁ? እንዴት አድርገን ነው የምናስተካክለው? You can rewrite or you can correct faulty parallelism sentences by using the same or identical grammatical structure. ተመሳሳይ grammatical structure በመጠቀም ማስተካከል ትችላላችሁ faulty parallelism ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ in your list ሊስታችሁ ላይ በverb ከጀመራችሁ በverb መጨረስ፣ በadjective ከጀመራችሁ በadjective መጨረስ፣ በadverb ከጀመራችሁ በadverb መጨረስ፣ እንደገና በgerund ከጀመራችሁ በgerund መጨረስ፣ በኢንፊኒቲቭ ከጀመራችሁ በኢንፊኒቲቭ ከጨረሳችሁ ትክክል ይሆናል ማለት ነው። እስኪ let me give you an exercise number 1 እስኪ አስተካክሉት የሚከተለውን number 1 my neighbor fancies nagging her husband, comma, screaming loudly, comma, crying aloud, comma, and to externalize problems. እስኪ እናስተካክሉት። ሊስት አለው። ሊስቶቹ ትክክል ናቸው? Do they have the same grammatical value? Do they use the same or identical structure? አስተካክሉት። እስኪ ልድገምላችሁ። my neighbor fancies nagging her husband, comma, screaming loudly, comma, crying aloud, comma, and to externalize problems. ይሄን አስተካክሉትና ጻፉት እስኪ። The second one is they have stopped attending parties, comma, going to work, comma, and to enjoy time of prosperity. Let me repeat it once more. They have stopped attending parties, comma, going to work, comma, and to enjoy time of prosperity. ይህንንም አስተካክሉት። And the last one is she put a kettle on the stove, comma, to open the curtain, comma, and looked out of the door. This is the third one. And the last one is the author has decided to shorten the stories, comma, eliminate some of the settings, comma, and removing philosophical issues. እነዚህን አስተካክላችሁ እንድትጽፏቸው ነው። So in general, when we talk about faulty parallelism, there must be a series of items. ምን መኖር አለበት? A series of word list መኖር አለበት። There must be a list of words, there must be a list of phrases, there must be a list of clauses. እነዚህን በሊስት ውስጥ ያሉ ቃላቶችን ወይንም ሐረጋትን ወይንም አረፍተ ነገሮችን the same ወይንም identical structure ወይንም grammatical value ወይንም pattern ካልተጠቀም ያ ስህተት ምን ይባላል? faulty parallelism ይባላል ማለት ነው። So that is all about today's lesson. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I am ጌታነህ በርታ። መጀመሪያ ከመሰነባበታችን በፊት እስኪ አካባቢውን ላሳያችሁ። በጣም ደስ ይላል። አረንጓዴ ነው። እዚህ ጋር ዛፎች አሉ። በጣም ደስ ይላል። ንፋሱ ምናምን ጥላ ነው። ሰው ዛሬ ለየት ያለ ቦታ ነው የመጣሁት። በጣም ደስ ይላል። ኦኬ ይሄ ነው። ጥያቄ ካለ መጠየቅ ትችላላችሁ። ቴንክ ዩ ቬሪ ማች ሲ ዩ ሱን